Water is vital. It is one of the most basic needs of humans. But we need to ask ourselves, do we have enough? How much water do we really use? In the Philippines, 74% of water extraction is used in the agricultural sector. 17% of water is consumed within our households, and 9% of water is used by industries. By the turn of the new millennium, 28.52 billion cubic meters of water was withdrawn from our natural sources in the Philippines. As our population grows, more water is needed. With progress comes new demands for more water. And as only 1% of the world's water supply is fresh water, how do we ensure future supply? What then can we do? Efficiency. Water efficiency. But in this day and age, can we still be efficient in terms of our usage of water? Nestlé has been in the Philippines for over 100 years. Our success translated to increased production year on year since 2000. But even with the increase in production, Nestlé sees to it that it is still able to conserve natural water resources. Why? Because water is a vital resource in our business. Our products are consumed with water. We use water to produce our products. Raw materials that we purchase need water to survive. And it is because of this that Nestlé Philippines consistently reduces the amount of water used per kilo of food and beverage produced. Which is why, even with continuous increase in production, to meet local demand of our products, water consumption and wastewater discharge decreased through the years. How did we do it? Nestlé Philippines employs several measures to encourage water efficiency throughout its operations. First, through reusing water and increasing water efficiency in all Nestlé sites. Rainwater harvesting is a system used to collect and store rain for later use from relatively clean surfaces such as roofs. The water is stored in a rainwater tank, and factories reuse this water for chillers and air conditioning systems. Reusing final rinsing water is an initiative that also increases water efficiency. The final rinsing water used during the cleaning of equipment is reused as the initial rinsing water for the next cleaning cycle. All factories reuse sealing water. Sealing water is water used as a coolant for vacuum pumps. This water is recirculated and used all over again as sealing water for the same pumps. Reverse osmosis is a process that cleans water pumped from the ground. In Nestlé factories, reject water from reverse osmosis is used for flushing toilets and urinals. In Lipa factory, condensate is recovered from the band dryer and is used again as feed water for the boiler. This initiative alone has led to 7,305.40 cubic meters of water saved in Lipa factory in 2011, which is equivalent to 35,132 drums of water saved. Water conservation in Nestlé goes beyond its internal operations. We also make sure that the water we discharge, if any, into our natural water resources go beyond compliance, and we make sure that we perform better than the DENR standards. In doing so, we are able to ensure a sustainable environment for marine life. As a matter of fact, Cagayan de Oro factory employs a last line of defense system, wherein the water that could still potentially have contaminants automatically goes back to its wastewater treatment facilities. On the other hand, Pulilan factory is a zero wastewater discharge factory. The water that is treated from the wastewater treatment facility is not being discharged into natural water resources, but instead, all of the effluent water is reused in various areas of the factory, such as the evaporative condenser and fish pond, promoting further water efficiency. River cleanups are also done, as Nestlé keeps a caring eye for rivers and creeks that run through the communities where it operates. Understanding that the agricultural sector also contributes to water consumption, Nestlé teaches farmers water conservation practices such as mulching, intercropping, and sloping agricultural land technology. Nestlé Philippines, through Project WET, educates communities and schools in areas where we operate on the importance of water. And to further share environmental best practices, Nestlé has been running the Greening the Supply Chain program since 2000, which aims to increase the level of environmental commitment of its business partners. Through this effort, our partners, who are part of the GSC in 2010 and 2011, have pledged to save a total of 198,600 cubic meters, which is equivalent to about 1 million drums of water. Nestlé believes that every employee and stakeholder can truly make a difference in conserving water. It is a never-ending cycle to always look for opportunities across the value chain to conserve water. But the company is only one part of the picture. Everyone has a crucial role to play. Nestlé will continue its efforts to protect and conserve this precious natural resource. Because ultimately, every drop of water counts for our generation and the next generations to come.